So over the same bandwidth, we think the quality is going to dramatically improve. But we're also addressing what is the most requested feature of iChat AV. And that is, I'd like to talk with more than one person. And so in audio conferencing, you'll be able to chat with up to 10 people in audio conferencing. And in video conferencing, you'll be able to chat with 3 additional people. We call it U+3. And let me show you this now. Okay, I'm just going to pick, I got 3 people here in my buddy list, Bertrand, Donica, and Phil. And I'm just going to start an audio conference with them so you can see what this is like. Here we go. And they'll join the conference as they accept.
Hello.
Hi, Donica. How you doing?
Good, Steve. How are you?
I'm good. We're still waiting for Phil and Bertrand. There's Phil. Hi,
Hey,
Phil.
Steve.
How you doing?
Good, good. Where are you?
Hey, good morning, Steve.
Good morning, Bertrand. We're showing off your new OS here.
Yeah.
So why don't you...
I meant a few words.
So as you can see, audio conferencing, why don't we have somebody drop off? Phil, you want to drop off?
All right, I'll check you guys later.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
And again, it all just works seamlessly, up to 10 people. All right, guys, listen, I'll talk to you later. Why don't you all plug in your cameras and we'll get going with video conferencing here.
We'll do so.
So now, they're plugging in their video cameras, so the video chat icons show up here. And how are we going to do this user interface? Are we going to do this with 3 separate windows, which is how everybody else would do it? No. No, we're not. So the first thing we're going to do is I'll see if Danica's there. And we're going to see what H.264 video conferencing looks like when she gets on here.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
So this is H.264, and we can just see full screen. How's it look?
It looks great from here.
All right. Well, now we're going to go add somebody. We got a little plus button right here, and let's go ahead and add Bertrand. So, hey, Bertrand. And let's go ahead and add Phil. Hi, Phil. How you doing?
Hey, Steve. Great.
Yeah.
I'm glad you called. Hey, Danica.
Hey, Phil.
Hey, Bertrand. Hello.
This is pretty cool. And
How
as you
come Bertrand got a coffee maker? We didn't.
Yes, yes. In fact, I'm drinking.
On the job?
Well, listen, Bertrand, why don't you drop off so we can show him what it's like when somebody leaves the conference?
Sure.
So Bertrand
Okay,
has
now
left
that
the
it's
building
just
here.
us.
Just
Talk about him.
seamless goes. All right, Phil, I'll see you later.
All right. Bye-bye.
It's just you and me again.
Yeah, we're alone.
Well, thank you very much. Talk to you later.
Thanks, Steve. Bye.
So this is the new iChat in Tiger. And it shows you that combination of technology, but also creative innovation to go from here to here that I think Apple is well known for and that you're going to see everywhere in Tiger. So these are just a few of the new innovations in Tiger. There's 150 of them. A ton of stuff in Unix, including, the most importantly, giving you 64-bit processes whenever you want them, running right alongside 32-bit processes. An even better Windows Citizen. Spotlight, the most revolutionary technology we've introduced in an OS in years. We think we are so far ahead of the competition on this, and it's going to ship in the first half of next year, at least a year before anyone else, and we think with a far more mature technology. H.264 video, the new industry standard that's going to be built into every high-def DVD player in the future, and we're going to build it into Tiger the first half of next year. Safari RSS, taking this great new innovation of RSS feeds and integrating it right in to the best browser in the world. Core Image, taking all of our expertise in image processing and video processing and integrating it right into the core of the OS so you can write apps on top of it just like you can with Core Audio today. Integrating the sync engine right into the OS and making .max syncing throughout the OS as easy as checking checkboxes and preferences. Dashboard, expose for widgets. When you want to get to things really fast and dismiss them really fast, this is going to be a great way to do it. It's going to open up a whole new opportunity for writing a whole new class of applications called widgets. Automator, to be able to string these applications together, scripting for mere mortals throughout the system, I think is going to be huge. And iChat, let's take iChat AV to the next level with multi-party audio and multi-party video conferencing. And when you put all this stuff together, and the stuff we haven't had time to show you today, we think Tiger is going to be a phenomenal release. Now, with these 150 new features, we were already ahead of the other guys. We're going to zoom even farther ahead of them. And we're having some fun with that in the banners outside. You know, Redmond, we have a problem. Redmond, start your photocopiers. One of them says, introducing Longhorn. Because we're going to ship this in the first half of next year, and we don't mind having a little friendly competition with them. And you're going to get your copy today. You're going to get a developer copy later on today with all of the SDKs in it and all of the code. Again, we're not shipping this till the first half of 2005, so put the bits in perspective. But we want to get something in your hands today. And we've got 200 sessions here this week on every facet of Tiger. So please partake of them, and please learn everything you can about these amazing new technologies. And most importantly, please integrate this great stuff into your apps and blow our minds with the incredible apps that you're going to create using this stuff. So thank you very much for coming. We'll see you all this week. Thanks.